Hi everyone. So yesterday you all attended the demo or today is the first class? Can you hear me? John Raghavendra BG Mulla, right? Yeah, sorry. So can you confirm like today is the first class or yesterday you attended the demo?
Yesterday
Attended the demo, right? Okay. Okay, so I think what we can do today is basically I think if you have attended the demo yesterday, today what I will guide you is basic content we will start and we'll discuss about the installation part today. So I want to make sure the installation is done before we start with the Python content. But in case you have any questions, you can ask. We are all good, right? You want to ask any questions before we start with installation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are all good. Okay, so Raghavendra and Janshu, do you have any questions to ask me, or we are all good? Have you attended yesterday's demo? No problem. So what we can do is let us connect. So may I know a bit about your background, BG Mulla? How to pronounce your name? BG
My name is ANjiReddy.
Reddy. Okay, this is the surname. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
No problem. So yes, so I think yesterday you have attended the demo class. Do you have any questions to ask, or we are all good? Should we start with the content today, in the sense the installation part? Before I start with the installation, just I want to check if you have any questions to ask. Right, you can ask me. We are all good in that, right?
Yes, ma'am. From my side, I am good, ma'am.
Okay. So you are completely beginner, or you have kind of a bit about some background or any other programming you have used?
I'm a beginner, ma'am, actually. Student 2018. I have a gap of 2 years, actually preparing for government services.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So for everyone, what I will suggest you is you go to YouTube and there are two sessions, session 1 and session 2. This is your assignment today. You need to type Durga Soft Sasmitha session 1 and session 2, right? If you type here, let me type it. So Durga Soft. So just type Durga Soft Sasmitha session 2. I'll tell you what is session 1 and session 2. I'll give you a brief, but detail you can understand from here. If you go to session 2, this session 2 is nothing but your Jupyter Notebook tutorial. So what is the session 2? Session 2 is about the software installation. It is called Jupyter Notebook, the IDE installation. IDE tutorial. And session 1 is your Anaconda installation, right? What is session 1? Session 1 is your Anaconda installation. So if you type your session 1, this is session 1. So let me just copy this two links in the chat window. So the first thing that is required is Python installation, and what we are using Anaconda Python, right? We are using Anaconda Python in this entire class. So Anaconda Python, first go to session 1 and then go to session 2 and you install the softwares and be ready. So what is Anaconda Python? So if you come to this particular Google and type download Anaconda Python, right? Download Anaconda Python. So what is this Anaconda? Anaconda is an open source Python distribution. So this is all in one. So we have with over 25 million users worldwide, the open source individual edition, right? So you can also install Python going to Python official site. This is the Python official site. If you come to Google and then just type Python download, if you type just Python download, you will be getting this particular site, right? So this is the official site of Python, python.org. If you come here and you can download Python, the latest version is 3.9.5, right? So you can download Python from this website and then you can install it. But it is my recommendation is go to Anaconda and you download Python from here. Why? You will get 3 things for free if you kind of download Anaconda version, and it is very well accepted by the companies, right? Even in very restricted domains like investment banks, Anaconda is accepted. So it's kind of in industry also we are using Anaconda. Why? Because not only Python, it will give you 2 additional IDE. One is Jupyter Notebook and one is Spider. So what is Jupyter Notebook? What is Spider? So Spider and Jupyter Notebook are the Python IDE where you will write your code, right? Like you have used Eclipse and other IDE for other programming language. For this, you can use this Anaconda Python. To Anaconda Python will give you 2 IDE. One is a Jupyter. So this is how the Jupyter Notebook IDE will be looking. Don't worry, this entire 1 hour video will give you a complete tutorial on how to use Jupyter. So this Jupyter Notebook ID is different than other ID that you have seen so far. That's why there is a tutorial, right? And why this is different, this allows markdown. So what is markdown? So you can see here there is code and markdown. I'll tell you how to open Jupyter, a basic tutorial. I will give you a brief, but at high level, let me tell you why Jupyter Notebook is very famous for data science. Because in data science, we have to kind of visualize lot of plots. We have to see lot of analysis and the results we need to analyze line by line or few lines. When we write the code, we need the output then and there. So this has a very good kind of support for markdown. So you can write your code like this is your heading color. You can change, and then you can see if you click on this. This is a what code? This is a kind of markdown code that I have written, right? So you can write your headings, you can bold it, italic it, you can explain, for example, this particular data set, right? What is this data set is about? What is the number of columns we have? Entire description I have written, and then I have written the steps, heading, bold, italic. You can add YouTube links, you can add hyperlinks, right? You can add lot of other URLs, right? Along with that, you can add images. So what I mean to tell you is this is kind of very, very good if you can. And one more thing is it allows you to download in different formats. Let's say you want to share your code with your manager, who is a very high level leadership team. He may not have Python installed in his system. And even though he has installed Python, you have used all of these libraries, 10, 15 libraries. He may not have all these libraries installed. Without installing libraries and Python, he cannot run your code in his machine. Now, in that case, you just share your code in this HTML format. So once you share this code in HTML format, without even downloading Python, entire HTML file, you can view your entire code. For example, let's say this is the HTML file. See how this project is looking. So you can, without any software installation, you can view your code. You can see the results. If you want to hide your results, you can hide your results. In the sense, the code you can hide. Sorry, only the output you can show, the code you can hide. For example, let me show you one more thing. Let's say this, right? So this is, there is a button here. Can you see? Click here to toggle on or off the raw code. So if I click on, you can see the raw code, every raw code. But if you click it this again, all the code will be disabled. Only the output you can see. So if I click, let's say these lines of code, if I copy here, right? And if I add here, right? If I add here, so what will happen is only the output will be kind of shown. Only the output we can see, and the kind of so see if I click on this, right? So now you can see what is happening. So all of this code will disable. See, can you see the code? No. Now let me download this as HTML file. So now I think lot of things we are looking, but don't worry, we have a 1 hour tutorial available. That's why lot of things to learn in this particular code, where you can do lot of things. Now here, if you see, can you see the code now? See, can you see the code? See, is the Python code is available or only the outputs? Can you see the code? Is the code is available anywhere? All of these are outputs, right? So this is very nice, isn't it? Just you don't want to share the code with anyone. That's why just no need to prepare PPT or separate document, right? You just need to hide this code and you can share your output with your client like this. They can actually go through the outputs. So you can see this is the complete output. This is a kind of one machine learning project. And you can see machine learning projects have different steps. I think yesterday's recording, if you see, you can understand we have data collection, data pre-processing, model building and deployment. All of these steps nicely one by one, you can take you through. You can write it in your Jupyter Notebook. So at least at high level, did you understand what is this Jupyter? Jupyter Notebook is the IDE. Why this IDE is different? Why I need a tutorial to use the IDE? Because it is supported by Markdown. Python code you can write, Markdown also you can write. So this Anaconda Python will give you both Jupyter Notebook and Spider. 2 ID it will give you. How to download Python? Just go to your download option. You can see here you have Windows, Mac and Linux. You select your operating system, click on that and then click next, next, next and then done. It's a very simple download. There is no problem at all. Just click on this exe file, next, next, next and done. Mac system, just click on it, double click and done. And once this installation is completed, not only Python, what you're getting, Python plus 2 IDE plus what you're getting, Python plus IDE plus you are getting something called your packages. So Anaconda will install all of the important packages that is needed by the data science project for you, right? So for example, you can see SciPy, and then we have this Matplotlib, we have this Matplotlib it will not install, but let's say sklearn, it will install, right? It will install Matplotlib also, it will install NumPy, it will install Pandas. So whatever packages are important for data science related tasks, every package it will install for you. So isn't it cool? Everything you no need to take headache because and it is also accepted by industry. It's not like only for this tuition or this course you are using this. It is very well known and very well used in industry also. It has also package repository, so it will maintain all the packages in a particular folder. So it is all in one solution. What is Anaconda Python? This is all in one solution. Number one, you will get Python installed. Number two, you will get 2 IDEs, Jupyter and Spider, where you can start coding. Three things. Third point is you can get all the packages that are important. Right? Every package, what is important for data science will also be installed. So 2 minutes you spend and then you are done. You start coding. After you install this Python, Anaconda Python, the second thing is please go through this link called session 2 and spend some time understanding about this Jupyter Notebook. You can understand the complete description about Jupyter Notebook, how to open, how to close, how to write this markdown, how to write nice code, how to write bullet points, everything. 1 hour I have very well kind of explained to everybody. So this is your assignment or prerequisite before you start with the Python content. And as soon as you confirm your enrollment, maybe today or tomorrow, so that you will get Durga sir's 170-hour Python video. In the meantime, you can also go through the Python recordings. But I will cover Python, whatever is necessary for this course. Even though you are not getting time to go through Durga sir's recording, you will understand everything that we are covering in this course. All the Python code you will understand. Additional content, you can go through the Durga sir's recording, right? Any questions in this? You can ask me if you have any doubt. Did you understand everybody what you need to do today? Karthik, Vignesh, I think you joined little late. So is it clear what I am telling you to do? There are 2 links that I have posted in the chat window. Everyone, first of all, you please copy those 2 links. Everyone copied? Everyone copied? Okay, you cannot see the link in the chat window. Okay, so I think it's joined little late. Oh, okay, it's just for the organizer. 1 second, let me send it to everyone. Oh, I have posted, but I think I posted only for the organizers. Now you can see it. Now can you see? Everyone, can you see both the links now? I think yes, right? Please copy these 2 links and you spend at least 1 hour time tree, 1 hour 15 minutes. If you spend, you will understand everything that I'm saying. So session 1 will guide you line by line. I have done it in my system and then you have to follow me. Super simple installation. There is nothing much. You go to Anaconda, download and next, and then finish. Anaconda installation is done. After that, you come to your Jupyter Notebook, see what I'm doing in the session 2 video, whatever I'm doing there, you just try to do the same thing in your system. I have explained how to open Jupyter, how to create a new Python file, how to download, how to save, how to write markdowns. Complete tutorial, complete 1 hour tutorial is there. So this is the prerequisite. Is this clear? Any questions on this? And please confirm your enrollment as soon as possible, especially for the people who are very beginner and you have zero knowledge in Python, because initial 1 week you have time to learn Python, at least the core Python. That is what is needed for the course. I will be completing core Python. In case you want additional kind of training from Durga sir, that also you will get it in the video. Same topics Durga sir also video you will find, and Durga sir will be teaching it in very detailed way, right? So you can see both my video and Durga sir's video for the same topic, and you can kind of mastering core Python, right? Before we go ahead with other advanced Python modules. So any questions in this? We are all good. You can speak, you can unmute and ask if you have any doubt. We are all good, right? Okay. Karthik, Vignesh, is it clear? Any questions? So let us connect tomorrow. What we are going to see tomorrow, we are going to discuss about variable, function, data types, very simple fundamental Python kind of content we will start. Once your installation is done, we'll start with Python, right? Okay. Thank you, everyone. Let us connect tomorrow then. I'm giving you today's time to install all of these things in your system, looking at the YouTube video. Let us connect tomorrow. We'll start with Python content. And if you have any questions directly, you can connect with me through Bhavani ma'am, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.